Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys where to find candles in 99 Nights in the Forest. And this is basically for the most recent update, the trick-or-treating one. And basically if you want to find candles, the the few places where you could actually find candles is going to be, cultist wave, boss, like cultist wave. Once you finish the wave, they have a chance of dropping candles. Another place is by just finding just through random chests, and it's basically as like anything else, it have a chance of dropping it. And another thing to keep in mind is like the higher day you actually are, the higher the chance of the candles actually dropping in the first place. So you can also go into the main lobby and ask the pumpkin guy the question as well, and he can also tell you other places to find it as well. But the two main places are either through random chests, or finishing cultist wave bosses, etc., or just cultist waves in general. And yeah, that should be it. And yeah, and once you basically have the candle, you guys should be good to go. You can go ahead and light the houses up and then do trick-or-treating. And yeah, that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.